Wagwan ENT.
I don't want to tell you, say, King SturGav are the only sound where carry 2 OD. See? So without further ado, I'm going to bring in that ride, the original. See?
Yes, Waterlane people. We just have to big up the item, you know what I mean? As a matter of fact, I might have to big up the whole of Clarendon. You hear me? Yeah, because of straight love, right across the board. Enough love to each and every one. Yeah, 40. Big up yourself. You have a long time, brethren. Stay strong. Now here comes the man called you Griffiths. The man says, hey, young lady, you have a miserable lady. Yeah. Miserable woman. Crazy woman. Miserable, 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 miserable woman. Mad woman. Every time I'm talking to a girl, you walk up in my face. You want me to be a disgrace, but I will put you in a respected place. Miserable woman. Peter Metro. Miserable woman. And Peter Metro in ya. Miserable woman. Bushman soon forward. Miserable woman. The general trees and liquid twitch. You roam in the street at night. Why? You're trying to seek a fight, baby. But I want you to settle down. With me crazy. Cause I know that you ain't no clown. Miserable woman. Yeah. Miserable, miserable, miserable woman. Big up the promoter. If you're trouble, 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 yeah, you will get it to you double, double. Oh gosh, if you're trouble, 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 I know you will get it to you double, double. You are a miserable woman. You are a crazy young lady. Miserable woman. Mad, mad woman. Miserable woman, you must understand. Baby, you are a miserable lady. But guess what? I man still love you, you know. Yeah, come on, can't do without you. Baby, baby. Well then, there's no me so long time that I call you, but you don't want to come. Hey, Babylon, stop you running and come. Yeah, but I call you, but you don't want to come. Please me, Babylon, to stop you running and come. But I call you, yeah, want you. Yes, King Selassie, I want to chat to you. Hey, Daddy, I want to walk with you. Hey. Call you from Italy, way down in the Rome. The people pick me say, come back, we go home. Yes, my judge, I call you, but you don't want to come. Yeah, Babylon, stop you running and come. Run, come. You feel run, come. He don't you from, I don't say you just run, come. Yeah, but judge, I call you, but you don't want to come. With the order of distinction from the Governor General, I'm on big forward man called Peter Metro.
Yes, Daddy Roy. Respect to the eye every time as a teacher. Waterlane Massive don't feel no way. Peter Metro, the alive Bushman and the original trees. So all the people I'm outside just coming to the place saying, run it again, Mr. Selector, because you know I saw the thing say, Jesus Christ, original SturGav sound saying, Lord of mercy. Yes, Daddy Roy, so we say, double, day. Daddy Metro in other place, Daddy Metro in other place, In a summit till you say that long time say bro rap and him a ram dance all. And wicked sound them have to pop down and fall. Long time say bro rap and him a ram dance all. A proper sound them have to pop down and fall. Them a fool, Holy pass sound them a fool, Pull it up again. Original sound, we don't deal with dung in a throat. Selassie, I know. Original sound. Man dance and rub up on no man. Selassie, I know. General Trees, big up yourself. Lord of mercy. Dedicate that one to the one call. Cartel and the one call my father. Jesus Christ, watch me. Oh, yeah. Watch Cartel and my father when you don't see them a war. When you watch them little boy, they make them do them thing. When you move out of the way when you see them a clash. Cause them your little boy will lick out your head back. Cartel and my father, buck up over sting, boom. One of the lose, boom. One of the winner. Me jukes and backstage, me and Charlie Chaplin. I'm a virgin Jose Wheeler beat some rum and gin. Cartel come to me and want to ask me something. As a old time veteran and a king in at the ring, him say, hey Peter, make sure dog you know it is wrong. My father leave the stage and fling the mic out time on. And I jump up in the air and say him kill man. Me say listen to me Cartel and please understand. Me a old time DJ, old long time veteran. Me nah go mix up in a young boy bangarang. Me remember ya your friend them beat ninja man. Who the boss up he made and kick him in him bottom. Me wouldn't take his up and me a real madman. Me woulda go down a jungle and go tell George Bang. And wake up Jim Ronaldo him a dead. Ooh, long time Sarah Ramit and the people them a come. Essie Claudine you know we just a blossom. They broke call you. Hey, that's what me tell you, Stebo call you. Daddy Roy, hey, I tell you that him call you. Wow! Daddy Roy, me said him call you. Hey, that's what me say. Hey, people, me say down now water lane. Tonight, it is a, hey, pull it up, hey, you hear me? Water lane massive. Saying, you don't know all the people I'm outside us let off original dance here come. Peter make sure they alive. Now remember that one that John Locke's mythical thing called Read Up Your Bible. Warm we are warm. Dedicate that one to all the people. Water Lane Massive. Remember that one here? Drop it on them. Stay here. Hey! Pull it up and play it again, Sickladine original tune. We don't deal with down in a tune. Original is original. When you come at them sound and you make baby. Original sound. Big SturGav. Hey! There's a good thing called the Bible. Yes, dreadlocks. Play by the song called King SturGav International. Yes, man.
Why should we fuss and fight?
Coming General Trade. Coming Twitch. Start where I'm starting. Boom! We don't chop Bible.
And shoot your brother down. Let's have fun.
Yes, man.
Let's have fun.
Woo!
Take up your Bible. Read from Genesis down to Exodus.
Play Mother King, you know.
Revelation. You hear me, Jama.
Here comes the part 2 style. Runaway Chan and the biggest stopping running wild. Original King SturGav sound right in a Clarendon. Drop it pan them Sickladine. How are there some boy? We little think life is like a loaded game. Dreadlocks, don't watch some boy when you see them hype. Don't watch them hype. Oh, me say life is like a loaded game. Chamana, me say life is like a loaded game. Cause me say life is like a pull it up! Pull it up! Don't watch some boy when you see them hype a road. Don't watch them hype. Today for you, tomorrow for me. A Peter Metro. Yo, what some boy feel like? SturGav sound, a bad sound. Come me say life is like a loaded game. Jaman come me say life is like a loaded game. Come me say life is like a loaded game. Jaman come me say life is like a loaded game. Say if you can't throw 6, nobody feel shame. Boy throw enough 6 and them still lose the game. Say when you play loaded, a man against you. You hold a boy gate and you cut and go through. Life is like a loaded game. Sasa him say life is like a loaded game. Me said the first 6 you throw, Jaman you're going to ban. You throw another, you build a barrier. We drop off a bed, they drop on shoulder. This are the maga DJ named Metro Peter. No partner go cook if you know have no fire. No bus now go run if you know have no tire. The whole time dreadlocks them call them Naya. Who don't listen Peter Metro run the control tower. Say life is like a loaded game. Jamana me say life is like a loaded game. Say if you can't throw 6, nobody feel shame. Boy throw enough 6 and still lose the game. Don't when you play loaded, a man against you. You hold a boy gate and you move the other toe. Life is like a loaded game. Pull it up. Yo, don't watch some boy when I'm a hype. Today for you and tomorrow for me. Dedicate to all the people in my Waterloo. Hey, Waterloo! Peter Metro, they alive, you know. Hey! Tell them, you know. Watch out. Me say, experience, me say me have experience to the Metro. Experience, me say me have experience to the Metro. Experience, me say me have experience to the Metro. Experience, me say me have experience. When God made man, him give them sense. The angel said that is magnificent. Him give unto us man the 10 commandments. And who disobey them a go face judgment. The judgment they appear chastisement. The Bible divided in a 2 segments. You have the whole and the new me say testament. Intelligent lyrics that are my consent. Can me say experience. Hey! Pull up! Yo! Circle Waterloo. Yes, man, I saw the thing go. Cartoon style man called Barry Crucial Brown. Original. You like Sickle Bean, man, like Daddy Roy. Yes, man. Hear me, man. Me say tra la 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 la. Me say you know for voice that the dance man. Said I'm rolling, we're rolling on the river. Sailing, we're sailing on the river. Old man river, God, great river. Just keep rolling. Just keep rolling and along. So pull up that cyclade. Hey, what I want to see Obama. Wallet. Want to see Obama come to Jamaica the other day. I don't want to feel such to him see him come around here. Him want come from him heart. It's the CIA them send him around here. But you see right now him come for freedom boy there, you know. But Jamaica knows we're all strong. Religious country. Christian and Rasta run boy here. Kick it up like a ball again. What are they? All the youth never know say I carry the Almighty in them hearts. Yeah, man. How are they? Oh, watch out. Obama, land of Jamaica man about 8 o'clock. As them come out at the plane, they meet all diplomats. Portia Simpson knock him up. And him slap her on her back and say, whoa, sister, pay your foot and wait to get fat. Meet me up at camp man about 10 o'clock. Me and you want to have a bilateral chat. But I no chat, him one chat. Him a look at one. Because him here say, sister P, she know fi TikTok. Anyway, And him way when them a come to Kingston. All him a listen to Bob Marley album. As him land a Jamaica, you know see a when turn. Which part him gonna Bob Marley Museum? Granny, chat off him out and him a beat up him come. Wanna tell me so chronic if he keep out him tongue. And mind them boy they come. Oh, we rolling, we rolling. We rolling on River. We sailing, Jamaican sailing. Yes, we sailing on River. Old man river, that great river.
What's the meaning of life?
You know what? Hey, big on name Peter Metro born February, and you know say February that mean Pisces. You know say Pisces mean fish in the sea. So we have to choose we girl them very wisely. Old man river, that great river, just keep rolling. Me say just keep rolling, rolling on along. Yes, it's rolling on along. Yes, cause we say see the hypocrite them a galang day. See the hypocrite them a galang day. See the backbiter them a galang day. Lord, oh, King SturGav for tell you, Lord, oh. That the right him I tell you, Lord, oh, East. When I lift my eyes unto the hills, oh Lord, from the hills cometh thy strength. I know strength coming from the Almighty God who created heaven and earth. So last year, you know, that one I name Love Love, original Barry Brown. Drop it on them. Yeah, man. Massive, remember that one here? All original youth of Clarendon. You remember that one here? Barry Brown. Drop it on them, Clarendon. Watch ya.
The first look at you, my baby, it was principle.
Pull it up on hey. Yo, the King SturGav alone you can get them original tune here. Yes, man. When I deal with puppet tail, when I deal with dung in that throat. Original. Enjoy yourself, big people. Boom.
The first look at you, my baby, it was principle. My darling, have you much closer to me? You've got discipline. Have you in my arms, my baby? I never want to lose you, oh no. We will never fuss and fight because we know things got to be right, yeah. I say, love, 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 love me, I deal with. Love, 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 love. Love, I say me want now. My baby.
Easy Jeggers.
Love, love,
Big up Jeggers.
love me, I deal with.
Original, you know.
Love, 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 I say me want now. When I see you, my baby, you makes me feel so good. The birds and the treetop singing songs of love. The rain falling down at my feet. I know I've got to rock to the beat. My baby, the good people got to meet to make things feel nice and sweet. Love, love, love.
A little thing called Love. Original Barry Brown, played by the song called King SturGav International. Logging I'm at Peter Metro, the microphone center. Original. Played by the King, love is all I bring. Hey, remember that one, yeah? Oh, yeah. What me can tell you this a weather balloon, yeah. Said that they Metro with the weather balloon. Pull it up and come again. Them say Jamaica, the island to the water. Yeah, man, I right you know people are ball so them can't get the rain. Oh, Lord of mercy. Daddy me train at the party. Yeah, man, no star. Cause this a weather balloon, yeah. Oh, daddy me train with the weather balloon, yeah. Billing, billing, bing, bang, bang. This a weather balloon, yeah. Oh, daddy me train with the weather balloon, yeah. Yeah, man, no. Come me say what not penny to a penny and cross bun. If you not know that, I mean say give it to your son. What not penny to a penny and cross bun. If you not know that, I mean say give it to your son. Jamaica is an island, we say island of sun. The island of the sun become the island of gun. Everywhere me go, people get drop and wrong. Island of the sun become the island of gun. I should have went down balloon there. Come make a tell you about the wet down balloon. Bang diddly dada, this a wet down balloon, yeah. How that they metro with the wet down balloon. I hear so me say, when on a place called Clarendon way. When on a my little thing kind of scratchy, you know. Don't watch the dreadlocks. I just say it go. I say it. Watch ya. You don't know. I saw it go. Yeah, man, a simple thing, man. Remember that one of dreadlocks, original.
Stood up.
Man like Barry Brown, a little thing called Not So Lucky. Not So Lucky. Hey! Clarendon, watch ya.
Everything I tried, I said I just can't get through.
Pull it, me selector, whoa. Dedicate to all the people in the place called Clarendon. Water Lane, King SturGav playing. Down with Diamond Peter Metro, the microphone center. You know, so me really tell you when me say, that the Metro on the mic when me. I say, people, are you ready? You know, so me make me hear the people them. Clarendon, are you ready? That the Metro on the mic and DJ. The 23rd of May, that on the Queen birthday. Listen, in Jamaica, that a Labor Day. The 13th of May, that a Mother's Day. The 11th of May, that a Bob Marley Day. Me lost of him, me love up on the Queen's Highway. Me never get it back until the very next day. When I listen that the Metro round the graph and DJ. If you love that the Metro make me hear I wanna say, Clarendon, are you ready? Big up Water Lane Massive, last year I know. All the people I'm outside and come in. Original sound I play. Oh, yeah. When they can get up, stand up and move. Get up, stand up and move. Get up, stand up and move. Cause several get in and then groove. Get up, stand up and move. Get up, stand up and move. Get up, stand up and move. Cause several get in and then groove. Just the other day, me jump and play Milana England. No face that the Metro was a little white. Man, what? Pull it up. Pull it up again. Pull it up again. Yeah, man. Veteran at work, Clarendon, Water Lane, Clarendonians. Oh, yeah. Who the better get up, stand up and rock. Get up, stand up and rock. Get up, stand up and rock. And when that the raya in my chat, who the better get up, stand up and rock. Get up, stand up and rock. Get up, stand up and rock. When Peter make sure we match out. Just the other day, me jump and play Melana England. No face that the Metro was a little white. Man, one test my intelligence, see him come and ask me quest. Can't come and ask me about a broad and then Jamaica Island. So where you get your water from the Hermitage. Damn them on the reservoir, it is the spotless. One, the capital of England, and me tell him land. Down the capital of pull it up! Pull it up! Pull it up! Veteran at work. Veteran at work. We don't deal with puppy tail. We don't deal with dung in a throat. I want to know some boy. Oh, no if, no but, nor no baby. Me say, dung in a throat can't bring baby. No if, no but, nor no maybe. Me say, dung in a throat can't bring no baby. Get up, stand up and rock. Get up, stand up and rock. Get up, stand up and rock. When that the raw, you might chat on the better. Get up, stand up and rock. Get up, stand up and rock. Get up, stand up and rock. When Peter me jump in my chat. Just the other day, me jump and play Milana England. Who face that the Metro was a little white. Man, one test mental and see him come and ask me quest. Then come and ask me about a brother and then Jamaica Island. Say where you get your water from the Hermitage. Damn, the moon reservoir, it is the spotless. One, the capital of England, and me tell him land. Down the capital of America, me say Washington. Down the capital of Holland, me say Amsterdam. Damn collection of stars is a consolation. And a outer space creature, well, you call him alien. Hold up your one if you come from Clarendon. Get us set up a rock. Get us set up a... Woo! Hey! Pull it up. Pull it up. Them say one down a left here. A original down everybody band come see. Now General Trees, I don't want you waste no time, you know. Cause you see from a walk through the gate Clarendon, want to see me come straight round the sound. Cause Peter mentioned a ramp when me I work. From me come through the gate, I straight round the sound. Come in General Trees. Come in Little Twitch. Hey! Hey Clarendon! Cycladine! You remember them tune there? Oh, I said I know your evil plan. You little one bounce Babylon, bedding, madang. I said I know your evil plan. You little can't sign Babylon, bedding, madang. He said he want me to join the army. I said I ain't gonna do that, officer, no way. I said I ain't gonna do that. Hey! He said he want me to join it. No officer, tell me now go do that. So when turn out your left pocket. I'm searching for a chrome automatic. Oh, turn out your back pocket. Peter met your money, mean got no ratchet. You know me say, hi, a dan dan ding dang dang ding dang dang ding dang dang ding dang, a die 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 da da, a diddly ding dang ding dang. Pull it up, Cycladine. As we touch that, we are going to one of the original Peter Metro them. Kick it up like a ball, and remember that one. Police, police, police! I'm gonna take you to jail, Mike. Clarendon, remember that Peter Metro, yeah? Remember that one, yeah? Oh, in the police in a London, in the police in a England, oh, in the police in a London, trees, in the police in a England, oh. Don't get it. Once at the night around 7:30, Peter Metro Brigadier Brigade that come from party. The carry Brigade drive, hit name master. Brigadier I drive the car and him drink him liquor. Same time he hear a voice come through a speaker. In the name of the Queen, I'm asking it to pull over. Hey, so me pull over on the side soft shoulder. As him approach me, me wind down moon and them say, what's the name, boy? Me name Metro Peter. Why you travel like this, Mike? You think you're in Jamaica? You driver's license, you need me in your number. Come in the car, let me search for the ganja. So me come out and make them search for them ganja. Them never find a knife, no revolver. So little after that, them touch me from the shoulder. It's a Peter Metro, please get back in your mouth. Oh, police in a London, in your police in a England, whoa. In your police in a London. Yo, I draw trees. I know that draw you to the lyrics there. Come in, General.
Now it's some more love and blessing for the people. Them. Glory! Tell them say a Bingy man store, remember our granny growing, you know. We say yield to the water lane people them. Celestial sound, read him up. Yield to Daddy Ra, the teacher. Now yield to the man like Little Twitch. Man dance them. Dance them. What am I talking about? People. Tell them to get them up together and set them things straight. Water lane people are real heavyweight. Get your up together and set your things straight. Water lane people are real heavyweight. Them on the milk, them on the oats, not call them cornflakes. Them on a soup cup, nor curry goat plate. Just like a arrow, I just saw them straight.
Hey! Clarendon the trees, a one way, yo.
And I say keep it real, big sign and seal. What tell them people? What do you want to talk about? Tell them to get them up together and set them things straight. Water lane people are real heavyweight. Get your up together and set your things straight. Water lane people are real heavyweight. Them on the milk, them on the oats, no call them cornflakes. Them on a soup cup, nor curry goat plate. Just like a arrow, I just tell them straight. I dirty mind people, water lane a rip. We no want them now we hard. Don't touch, we get them happy. Tackle we park, we shovel and we rake. How we long more at the around your face baptizing at it. Oh! All about thing never build full up. A Red Bull and Guinness man a drink up. Listen me good. Listen me good. But that dance them. What them say? Bam dam dam them. Sure. Tell them to get them up together and set your things straight. Waterlane people are real heavyweight. Get your act together and set your things straight. Waterlane people, listen me good now. Tell them you no milk, you no oats, no call we cornflakes. We are no soup cup, nor curry goat plate. Just like a arrow, I just so we straight. I don't mind people that them winnery. We know want them now we yard. Don't touch, we get them happy. Tackle we park, we shovel and we rake. Or we lawn more, a scrape off your face, baptizing at the river. You see all the lake. We are real God that and no fake, we are fake. Get your act together and set your things straight. Waterlane people are real heavyweight. Get your act together and set your things straight. Waterlane people are real heavyweight. Call we miss a too soon, we never come late. The whole of the enough, but right now me wait. And a hunt and a search, she a slice of the cake. And you over long time when me empty. Me no want no big bite. Give me a little taste. Chicken or fish, mutton or steak. Red peas and cow skin in on me plate. We a man banana, we two Johnny cake. I put my sugar water on me belly, feel great. Feel like a little bigger and rasta rich. Oh, what am I saying, Peter?
Yo, when I say little Twitch. Yo, little Twitch, away they coming. Hey, Twitch, don't bother with it. Hey, massive, you see that one here? That one I dedicate to all the youth, then we are going to dance long time. Original is original. Drop it on them King SturGav, the little thing called.
Listen, right now we are the Clarendon youth, them a go up on a girls' zone thing. But them now go left them condom Peter, cause I don't know they say they don't. Read them up, straight. Listen me good. Little Twitch, original government, do say a word. Down around the teacher. Keep the blessing flourishing. I don't know the light thing, you know. Easy for it. What we say? Girls something, girls something. Chum say 1 girl, 2 girl, 3 girl, 4 girls. I look for it. 5 girls, 6 girls, 7 girls, 8 girls, 9 girls, 1 3. 10 girl, 11 girls, 12 girls, 13 girl. Come in to me house. Me and 14, 15, 16 girl. So we gon' go chill out. Well, woman a ball and shout. We lock the door and them can't come out. And we Dr. Fish and 2 Scout. When man a walk without doubt. True man a soldier, man a no scout. So we walk them on the bank, walk them on the couch. Inna the city, all about inna the house. When we are walk, we hear girls are ball out. Do it same. I would want to speak.
Whoa! No, sir, trees. No, sir, why are you not tune again? Yo.
Me a sneak it there again, Peter. Listen me good. From top. 1 girl, 2 girl, 3 girl, 4 girls. I look for it. 5 girls, 6 girls, 7 girls, 8 girls, 9 girls, 1 3. 10 girl, 11 girls, 12 girls, 13 girl. Come in our house. We are 14, 15, 16 girl. Say we can't go chill out. Well, woman a ball and shout. We lock the door and them can't come out. And we Dr. Fish and 2 Stout. When man a walk without doubt. True man a soldier, man a no scout. So we walk them on the bank, walk them on the couch. Inna the city, all about inna the house. When we a walk, we a girls a ball out. Do it same way. Don't take it out, shopping run Harry Brown from out of the house. And the boy I do, I use him mouth. So she requests me to keep the bus on the road. 1 girl, 2 girl, 3 girl, 4 girls. I look for it. 5 girls, 6 girls, 7 girls, 8 girls, 9 girls, 1 3. Well, Michelle come on the scene. Say she want me run a 1 trip. Go to Papine scene. Then Pansy start scream. She want go cool out over the scheme. She want go bounce a little sweat. She want go let off a steam. The nutty body love it, nice and clean. Then Beverly come round. She want me the church to August town. But I'd rather be a fool, I'd rather be a clown. But the girls them have me round and round. Through hills and valley, uptown, downtown. Now live off and the girls them compound. Woman want good loving, request Mr. Smooth. Only me alone can put her in the mood. What can tell her when they know me have a good food. And she want me riding on me on the prelude. She come check me one night. When time me red, no change I read. Probably not the bed. Brazil bust up, sleep and run red. Palsy fly out from out of she head. No matter how she ball, scream and beg. Me nah ease up the fence.
Jano, trees, a killer. Yeah. So last year, you know, we have to love the woman them, you know. Come and telling us something. If you don't read the true Maccabee Bible, you know, it shows you say God make two people. God never call them Adam and Eve, you know. He made the two of them and him call them Adam. And it's Adam, which is the man, and him call the woman Eve. And if you check in a life, what the word Eve mean? What Eve mean? What the day before Christmas name? Christmas Eve. What the day before New Year's name? New Year's Eve. So what the word Eve mean? Eve mean before. So that goes to show you, ladies come before gentlemen in all aspects of life. Big up all of the woman them, kick it up like a ball. So last year, you know. Yeah, man.
Hey,
Massive, remember the one here?
Babylon, them can't lie.
Oh, Lime Memory. Alright. Playing by the King, song called King SturGav, the youth called Lime Memory. Brand new singer, we are fling a road, General.
Oh, yeah.
What am I say, General?
Yes, Peter. Uncle Lime Memory, give on day. SturGav, give on play.
Skylarking.
Original sound. Hey! Hey! What do you, Ball? What do you say? From top to the down top. So black from the cream of the
Oh, yeah.
Square up. Let's square up. Yeah.
Skylarking.
No.
That is what you do today.
Easy burger rice.
Skylarking.
People them love you next to Jesus Christ.
Skylarking.
Yeah, you know.
Before they stand up firm on their feet, begging you a 5 cent.
If you come to
begging you
Metro,
a 10 cent, sir.
stay so.
Cannot help, no cannot help. But if you keep on doing what you all are doing, you will end up in jail.
Yeah. No Skylark.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know.
Woo-hoo. Oh, well. Hey.
Who do you want to Peter?
Uncle Lime Memory, the thing called Skylarking.
Skylarking.
Played by the King, song called King
That is
SturGav.
what
Yeah.
you do today.
Badang, bedeng, badang, deng.
Skylarking.
Badang. Now you come to part 2 style of a little thing called the Skylarking. Dedicated to all of the youth them we are June. General trees man like Peter Metro. With a little thing called the Skylarking, no long thing. No brag and no boasting. Badang, deng. Play by the song called Daddy Boy Sound. King SturGav sound is the #1 sound. Papa Bogus Badger run some boy out of town. When the listen that they metro on the whole. Cause Skylarking, some boy out of road that tell you Skylarking. Say that is all. Some youth man do to today. Bedeng, badang, say Skylarking. Yes, them see don't want the corner Skylarking. I saw me tell you when me say that is all. Some youth man do today. But even when me come and tell you, I work me come for work, work me come for work, work me come for work, and no chicken me a jerk. I work me come for work, I work me come for work, and I work me come for work, and no chicken me a jerk.
I rest, I want to wash ready rest. You love and the king, I love of the empress. I live blessed, I want to wash ready rest. You love and the king, I love of the empress. Empress, the one we queen who bring we happiness. Some break we heart while some come minute. To every empress, I'm on all respect. See it come talk, no farm a box check. The big man be one, them all the little preps. And them bring we up, and we just can't forget. And most of them know the loving concept. Them know the push, them know the roof, them know the hook.
So, work we come for work, work we come for work, work we come for work, and no chicken we a jerk. I work we come for work, work we come for work, work we come for work, and no chicken we a jerk.
Tomorrow radio she bust me win bet. Run very hard but she lose by a neck. Put out a lot of effort but you never manifest. She get suckers up by and I just can't forget. In a piece of rope and tie round me neck. When me let things done it like them fight a jet. Superman devil fly to spot check. Don't spur tree up deal no take check. Back round about on the video catch. Right out a gutter she go lick a left. Carry me go cool out a St. Elizabeth. Me climb up a tree and up grab me catch. She can me go and see me catch fish in the net. And when she done she charge me pay visit in the red. I live less and water wash me the best. He love all the king I love up there.
Work we come for work, work we come for work, work we come for work, and no chicken we a jerk. Work we come for work, work we come for work, work we come for work, and no chicken we a jerk. We work from Kingston back down to O3. Jamaica is an island divided by three. We run your dance and cock your party. Cocaine mixed with ganja we make you freaky. But what we make you fat up and young gal belly. No 6 hot guineas and a sicker sensei. And when we come a dance we come for run the party. We don't listen Peter Metro and a general tree. Work we come for work, work we come for work, work we come for work, and no chicken we a jerk. Work we come for work, work we come for work, work we come for work, and no chicken we a jerk.
I wanna chicken me a jerk, man, I work me a work. I wanna chicken me a jerk, man, I work me a work. I mean, at the dance, man, we don't come to legs. Sit down on the rhythm with the blouse and shirt. Work we come, tiger. The mighty you call line, my crucial Murray. We look at thing called I'm Too Proud to Beg.
We see the no lie memory now and we are seeing more life in the scene. I want to SturGav girl them there. Hey Dan, I want to SturGav girl them there. Shine.
King SturGav, give up Jesus.
Hey. I know you wanna leave me.
Hey!
But I refuse.
How do you, Bano? What do you say?
We see the no lie memory now and we are seeing more life in the scene.
Just look at us now. Now.
We see the no lie memory now and we are seeing more life in the scene. I want to SturGav girl them there. Hey Dan, I want to SturGav girl them there. Shine.
You call like memory. Keep on saying.
Hey. I know you wanna leave me, but I refuse to let you go. If I had to cry and plead for your sympathy, I don't mind, 'cause you mean that much to me.
Hail to God, Bandolo. Hail to Lion.
Sweet darling,
don't get
please
cross.
don't leave me, girl. Don't you go.
Light on the grind.
Ain't too hard to plead, baby, baby. Please don't leave me, girl. Don't you go. Oh no. See, girl, you're crying, man. Take my hand with no. If I had to beg and plead for your sympathy,
only rubber dumb sound left in the world, my brethren. The rest of them bug out and plug out. My brethren say them weak out and leak out. Now for them secrets, SturGav, only rubber dumb sound left. Now you come. The counter action style, we'll go thing called Miss Technician. Dedicate to all the female them. With some more love and blessing. Peter Mitchell alongside General Trees. Little Twitch, little more chop. You miss this technician. You may come protect me with television. Hey, the one me blend down, me standing fan. And the music back the way you malfunction. Clang, clang. Every time we hold the jazzy session up around, we have the flavor, the style plus pattern. We eliminate Ray, baptize Susan. Listen to the DJ slang. Most appliance now me house burn up what they blam. Can't watch no TV, no clothes can't iron. Not even little breeze me I get from the fan, you know. Me have style garage. Some go hear about a female technician who run a little shop somewhere up a Barbican. Never lack, non-stop, 24/7. Like this how me start sing my song. Trees, don't hear me born, that's how me come from. Where woman elevate themselves like man. I in everything, them I make number one. Some soft, some tough, some strong like lion. But most of all, they bring the wicked Islam. And if you do it good, them redraw the plan. So me want to know the woman you have to shake off around. They tell her how me feel as a Jamaican. Me really see a female turn up strong. And I spread out a wing, them in her profession with technician. You me come to check me fix me television. Hey, they want me blend down me standing fan. And the music back the way you malfunction. Blang blang. She get the TV if you fix the blender, the iron, the microwave, the toaster and the standing pan. She don't charge not no much, but me give you a couple grand. She give me a receipt and shake off me and I say, check me next week when you come from Japan. Me make a little mugu down a Darlistan. But check me mother brother we come from England. He bring 2 clocks to me. I want gentleman, quarter dozen jeans pants and everything and name brand. Right on the corner, the first place me jam. Go heal anti-bomb, anti-Sharon, anti-Desiree, me cause who buy run, who thief a ram goat and them chop off him. Over town when farm with them say that go jam. Technician, glory. What do I say, Dolo?
Yeah. Well, I say give thanks and praise unto the Most High. Jah Rastafari. And do remember the theme of the song called King SturGav Hi-Fi, the only rubber dub song left in the whole wide world. The rest of them bug out, plug out, weak out, leak out, and freak out. So right now, righteousness we are seek out and righteousness we are speak about. But the rubber dub sound, what goes up, me said it must come down. We drop off a shoulder and go drop on ground. You know, sister Rography weigh 10,000 pounds. All the rest of sound, them a choke come around. Hey, we have the sound, yes we have the sound. So what all these people say, I wanna feel. This is a SturGav, this is sound, it real. Tougher than iron and we wicked and steel. All who can, yeah, them must have to fail. Members swallow the leg and go be the battlefield. Them are the lyrics that we talk from where mouth is real. This is SturGav, this is no bargain and deal. Cause we have the sound, yes we have the sound. We have the sound, we have the champion. Say that the right where you get the sound from. The sound that worth more than millions. Don't say that they will ram up over England. People them want me sit round a Scotland. People them a tell me say them want we in a China. No fan them a tell me say them want we a Japan now. Them want the rubber dumb cause them want function. This is SturGav say we don't malfunction. We have the sound, yes we have the sound. We have the sound, we have the rubber dumb sound. I sit Ladini, him a select the sound. Head of the rhyme and him won the sound. General Trees man attack on the sound. The one Peter Mitchell him a pass through with tone. He say hey, this a sound it and the champion sound. Yes, water lane there is no complaint. People from board some a come pan train. Watch the rest of them when them a come pan plane. A King SturGav them a call out with him. Ram up the dance it is no complaint. Lord, we have the sound. Yes we have the sound. We have the sound, we have the year sound.
Hey, we said it. Feel alive, but we now go home. Hey, we say, feel alive, and we now go home. Yes, he's daddy come drop some selection. Feel alive, and we now go home. I come. The mighty you call line, me crucial moral, the little thing called Bandolo. Now we say you'll tell you Reggae bands. Original.
Go down, yeah.
Uncle Lemmy,
Go
Murray,
down, Bandulo.
So that's so.
That's what you've been doing all the time.
Bandulu! Now make them fool.
Playing Bandulu on everyone's mind.
So that's so.
You keep the people in utter darkness. Don't want them to see no fullness. Let them go, don't make them try. Sure there's a way, they've got to survive. Go down, Bandulu. Go down.
Bandulu, go down.
Go down. You've got to reach the ground.
Now me say yell to all the farmer them to the place. We say bless them up slash people. Keep it real. And I say no feel no brethren, because I don't know that the right picture there.
Go down, yeah.
Leroy keep
Go
us there.
down.
Look more bushman over there. Sure, tell you.
That's what you've been doing all the time.
Bandulu.
Playing Bandulu on everyone's mind. Yeah.
Oh, you have to do that.
Keep the people in utter darkness. Don't want them to see no fullness. Let them go, don't make them try. Sure there's a way, they've got to survive. Go down, Bandulu. Go down.
Clarendon people.
Go down.
Live up.
Got to reach the ground.
Straight up, boy.
Don't let the system get you down. No, no. That will push you to the ground. Yes. People, open up your mind. Is that what you're hoping for?
We say if I have one farmer there tonight, we have blessed them up. You love to all the farmer people there. We say more love and bless them there. We say if I have one farmer there tonight, we have blessed him up. Keep it real, see me, yeah? And do this to me. Do this to me. Come make we plant where we eat and make we eat where we grow. Make we little island, things start to flow. People, come make we plant where we eat and make we eat where we grow. Make we little island, things start to flow. Wobble we a wobble, cause things kinda low. We are no engine, you know, come make we poggle a row. Jamaican product to the star every show. Build Jamaica by Jamaica, that's the way we should have go. Ivy farmer in a deep country, for no who can feed the nation and no maybe so. And pay forward only for things where we owe. Brick by brick, we do it row by row. Flat foot again, we not pay tip on no toe. I'm a granny teach men, and that's how me get for no. Can we go? That's where we eat and make we eat where we go. And make we little island, things start to flow. That's where we eat and if we eat where we grow. And make we little island, things start to flow. Me go lease piece of land last week and then go. Me get me back on me shovel with the cocks on me hoe. Me lass on me hose and wheelbarrow. Clean up campaign, all of a thing me a go sow. Something me a go plant, something me a go grow. I am a banana and potato. Orange and pine, a key and mango. Let this cock show island lower okra. Me have a destination, the right way to go. And position myself for a better tomorrow. Come make we, and we eat and make we eat where we go. Make we little island, things start to flow. And where you eat, and if you eat, where you grow. If you, I want to say down low.
Lord, you hear me? It's right now, water lane. We want to know so we have to cut off all crosses, all maggot, all inform, all spy, all sorcerer. I want you to burn them out of water lane. No, I know we know say righteousness we are dealing. All of the man who love Jamaica and them say, Joe! Rastafari, for the love of themselves, say Rastafari. The man called, sitting at the actual tower, the man called, the brand new Leroy Gibbons and plays, the musical is called, down here in Babylon, where Babylon are going with too much things and contention. Yeah, play mama, play Chicago, brand new.
Hey, the living is rough, the goings get tough. Down here in
Now
Babylon.
this nation rules the nation. with version from Iration from that Uroy sound station, song called King SturGav Wi-Fi. Waterlin, remember me tell us we are ramming tonight at 6 o'clock in the morning. Bag and about to worry yourself because I know everything Iray. Because the man called Leroy Gibbons live and direct in the year when I don't know if I'm there. This has cheap him same at like about 45,000 fire. What to get the people and what they require, my brother.
Thank you very much, my brother. I want to say greetings to all the people in Waterlane. Respect every time. Saying, big up yourself, Daddy Rai. Big up yourself, the promoter. Man called Sitladine, especially. Boom. Rastafari blessings goes out to each and every one. Run the track. Saying, wicked in a Babylon right now. We have to go say, oh. Yes, international. Oh, yeah. SturGav champion sound. Hey, the living is rough, the goings get tough. Down here in Babylon. Rougher than rough, tougher than tough, as I would say. Leroy Gibbon is my name, music is my fame. Runway all even. Trample them under the foot pattern. Where else, my brother?
Selassie, so we are showing us a purge, we are purge out. Selassie, see him where sit like this. Selassie, I know I want time for your glam ramp and play, because you know when we sing a pass through. Hold on to a shot. Lord, Babylon, the days in number. Babylon, them days in number. Lord, have mercy, them days in number. That's why I'm going to tell you thing. They don't give a damn, they don't give a damn, they don't give a damn about you or me. They don't give a damn, they don't give a damn, they don't give a damn. It's a society. They don't give a damn, they don't give a damn, they don't give a damn. Rastafari help we, they don't give a damn. 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 I say, who's there for the homeless people? Them when don't have nothing to eat. And who's there for the hungry people? Them when can't find nothing to eat. Right. The time the kids all go, them know the guilty to run the young state. And who's there for the mothers? Them when spend them Sundays in a cemetery. They don't give a damn, they don't give a damn, they don't give a damn about you or me. They don't give a damn, they don't give a damn, they don't give a damn. Lord, word will happen.
The wicked will run when judgment are come. Where? Down here in Babylon. The righteous will stand upright in the land. Down here in Babylon. Hey!
We don't know where them are set. Me tell Babylon to go away. Haka fire burn them every day. For all them the tricks when them are praise and way. Cause they don't give a damn, they don't give a damn, they don't give a damn about you or me. They don't give a damn, they don't give a damn, they don't give a damn. This a society. They don't give a damn, they don't give a damn, they don't give a damn. Rastafari help we, the banks. They don't give a damn, they don't give a damn.
Tribal war won't solve the problem. Listen, my brothers and sisters, let your hands and hearts be pure and clean. If you want to enter in that promised land, to rally round red, gold, and green. The wicked wine run when judgment are come. Hey! Down here.
Selassie, Rastafari. Mr. Gibbons. Mr. Gibbons, how are you going to chart, you know? Chart, Mr. Gibbons.
Thank you, my brother. Hey, hey, hey. Stop it, my brother. Come from the top, as I will tell you. This one is called the 10 to 1, brand new. to 1. Oh yes, no matter what I do, the odds on winning you are 10 to 1. 10 to 1. There's no difference in what I say. My odds run the same old way. I just can't win your lovingness, I guess. Hey! Hey, fire! Harmony, we want, you know, see a band business. We want the harmony people in fear sing with we. We don't want us what's up sitting. People them there, you know, we have to give it nice, you know. The odds on winning you, girl, are 10 to 1. Where's the Peter? Where am there?
Yo, Leroy, you hear me? Build up the thing, yo! Clarendon! Send it up there, over there.
Not 6 to 5, not 2 to 1, nor 1 to 9, y'all. No matter what I do, the odds on winning you are 10 to 1. 10 to 1. There's no difference in what I'll say. My odds run the same old way. I just can't win your lovingness, I guess. My pardon to you, ma'am, for being what I am, but I just can't tell myself no. I just can't tell myself no. Your love is all I crave. That's why strangely I behave, knowing I'll never share your love. Oh no, a love lost that had never begun. Oh no. Odds on winning you, girl, are 10 to 1. 10 to 1. 10 to 1, girl. Peace. Next show, my brethren.
Hey, Cycladine. You're
What
just
one
a
ENT?
Cycladine. Man, I'm about you, Cycladine. Turn it up in a Clarendon and this the people and what? Hey, Leroy Gibbons, step on it.
My love is to the end of time. Leroy Gibbons says his love is to the end of time, y'all. My love is to the end of time. Time. My love is to the end of time. I miss a magic moment. Yow, yow. So yes. Come again if you love SturGav, say Guan. Rastafari blessings. Yes. Diggity dong, 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 dong. My love is to the end of time. I miss a magic moment. Yow, yow. So different and so new, was like any other. Until I sing for you, and then it happened. It took you by surprise. I knew that you felt it too, yeah. By the look in your eyes, sweeter than wine, and warmer than the summer's night. Everything I want, I have. Whenever I hold you tight, I miss a magic moment. When your lips are close to mine, we last forever. Forever till the end of time. What else, my brother?
Hey! Yo! Pull it up, Cycladine. Dedicate that one here to all of the original. And some little freaky boy I go around the place. We are original. All of the original Clarendon on there. I'm here to say, yo! Yo! Who remember that big tune there? Who remember? She said, don't put it there. She said, don't put it there. She said, don't put pull up that. Yo! Yo! I want some freaky boy around the place. Yo, them little boy nowadays. I take the girl them and I do all kind of things with them. tell them. We say, no put it there, don't put it there. We say, no put it there, no put your mouth down there. Lad, no put it there, hey, don't put it there. We say, no put it there, no put your mouth down there. When they put it on the table, she say, and she put it on the dresser, she say, what am I, you know what I pull it up? Why, you know what I Clarendon, I said, don't put it there, because I grow up on them show there. Yo, General, large up every time. Daddy Roy, big up yourself. The whole of Clarendon. Maybe everybody is singing. No, 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 no. No put it there. No put it there. Yeah, no. No put it there. Clarendon. No put it there. Clarendon. No put it there. The boy put it on the table, she said. And when they put it on her lip, she said. And when they put it on her door, she said. And when him drop it on her knees, she said. But when we put it down on the glue, she said, make it on there, make it on there, down there, it in there, it in there, it in there, oh, it in there, it in there, it in there, oh, it in there. We say, don't take it out, don't take it out, she say, don't take it out, don't take it out, you see the bed in the house, don't take it out, you see the, pull up that, hey, hey. A peer lyrics from that one here, yo, Twitch.
So, Metro, man. Lord of mercy. Well, Metro, is it for them member that one and put it there? Them have remember that one. Hey, boy, who call that respect you? We call that respect you. Manners and courtesy, and that carry you. So, respect you, we call that respect you. We love. Selassie, I. You don't know, I want to warm up, because we not left back until the morning. Yes, Siglading, I like how you set it now. Yeah. But on them trees. We call that respect you, we call that respect you, Manners and courtesy, and that carry you through. Say respect you, we call that respect you, Manners and courtesy, and that carry you. No matter, bend up your face and talk about you a school. Enough in your waist, enough in shot, not too. Policeman, hold your one, your eye black and blue. Just listen for a picture when me passing through. Me and enough for manners and me respect you, Respect you, we call that respect you, Manners and courtesy, and that carry you through. Say respect you, we call that respect you, Manners and courtesy, and that carry you. Them say, how the young tongue do we don't broke no swear. Anyway, me go, me manners always here. Stand up and the middle of farm for 3 square. Right down on me foot and some ice cold beer. Make another dance and me go check where the beer. Enough for me up, me never carry no fear. Clarendon, me there, me say we round a bit. Me have lyrics in a bungle and lyrics in a fear. After 6 o'clock when we draw extra gear. Just tell the pig and them never get out of here, yeah. Respect you, we call that respect you, Manners and courtesy, and that carry you know what you. Respect you, we call that respect you, Manners and courtesy, and that carry you.
Wanna give me the vibes, you give me the vibes, you give me the dancehall vibes, and I'll keep it alive. Wanna give me the dancehall vibes, I bet you get to use strive. And you look from me, you see the African drive. Born maroon, me nah blink to disguise. Me no boots war, shut up me no bribe. Me no just slap songs for people make night. Me walk me run, that glory. Give me a binky man solid, tell them say I'm a granny go like a chef or a boss. Alright, Peter.
Hey, Clarendon. All the man that come from Clarendon. Wanna give me a one here, history me I go now. Oh yeah, I say all who come from Clarendon, let me see the one. Me wanna hold up on the one. All who come from Clarendon, let me see the one. Clarendonian put up on because a 7 hero fight for free Jamaican. And out of that 7-1 was a woman. Say 7 heroes of Jamaica. Paul Bogle, Daddy Sharp, and Daddy Buster, Daddy Manley William God, Marcus Mosiah. And Sister Nanny, she was a Maru leader. Now let's look at them, one after the other. William Gandhi, the white, he was a freedom fighter. Paul Paul Bogle did black, rebellion leader. But he was strict and then capture. And then them hang him couple days later. Now, take a look at Marcus Mosiah, born 1887. Son of a papa due to his love for black and his brain power. He was on his way to free Africa when he was captured by some English soldier. Then he will destroy the Black Star Liner and brought back him ashes to Jamaica. Now that the Manly, that the Bustamante, they all came from the same family. Fight to get independent for our country. And then choose the anthem and the flag for me. There was the first premier of our country. We first prime minister was Bustamante. Believe you see Bobby hit on the second today. $2 and cents on the pound and penny. Hey! Run it again, Cyclade. Run it again, Cyclade. Yo, our country we are talking about. Run it again. Run it, my veteran work. Hey, think a chicken we are jerk. I wanted them Clarendon. Look, take it. Look. Watch out. Now the highest mountain, a blue mountain peak, a 7,402 feet. And when you reach the top, you see the Cuban land. Well, still me, I go tell you about Jamaican Island. In a 1494, Columbus discovered the land. In a 1655, them took us to England. In a 1692, earthquake destroyed the land. In a 1773, all us succeeded up. In a 1838, we get our freedom. In a 1865, Bamum Rebellion. In a 1887, Marcus Banner St. Anne. In 1893, the birth of Norman Washington. In a 1938, riot on the land. In a 1944, run the first election. In a 1952, the Queen coronation. In a 1962, we get to liberation. In a 1988, Gilbert mash up the land. 2004, Hurricane Ivan. 2008, we drop our next bomb. Usain Bolt and Fears of Shelly-Ann. Mash up Beijing and make them know so we are the done. We have the world record, the record since answer. Push up your money, you will come factor it. Glory! I bet you know. Leroy Gibbons. I work with their work. One more dada. Clarendon. Leroy. Why me I tell you so the dance get what's here now? Gibbons. Yeah man. Thing get sweet. Gibbons sit and take up the glasses. Attack.
Oh season lover. Hey. No. You should never give your love away. I said no. You should never give your love away. No. You should never give your love away. I said no, you should never give your love away. So when the winter comes around and there's nobody to keep you warm, young girls, call me on your phone line and I will be there in no time. I'll be there to warm you up. I'll be there to warm you up. So no, you should never give your love away. I said no, you should never give your love away. No, you should never give your love away. I said you should never give your love away. So when springtime comes around and when the roses are bursting out of the ground, call me on your phone line and I will be there in no time. I'll be there to warm you up. So you do that day to nice you up. That's why I say no, you should never give your love away. I said no, peace, no.
Bangiria. I remember a white boy will come boy. What name? What the white youth name? What the white youth name? Dominic. Who remember Dominic? I said, who said Dominic? Who said Dominic favor boy charge? Who said Dominic? Who said Dominic favor boy? Bangiria. Pull up the high. And the first white man DJ come out from Metro Media. Hey, Mr. Clarendon. A Peter Metro. Who remember this? Who remember? Oh, who remember? Making it at the back, we attack. Making it at the back, we attack. I go talk back, we remember. Back, we attack. Remember, back, we attack. Talk back, we look. Me name Peter Metro born. February born Metro Peter name me. Jubilee Hospital, me mother have me. Me have mother me hospital Jubilee. Everybody know me as a Mike MC might know me. Body every intelligence that they have plenty that have me. Intelligence, reality me talk, me no talk no valley no talk me reality. Me love Jamaica bad and this a my country my this bad Jamaica love me, that's why me say back we talk, me kin in the back we talk back where you going, back we talk back we take it a low 6 low oh hear me. Watch it. This are the side we talk, and the side we talk. Talk side we, this a side we talk, side we talk. This a side we talk. Talk. Look. Me is a cartel gonna prison to him kill. Me is a angel man and being him man not dead because she dead with. Me is a pull it up. Guess who there? Guess who there? We're going to St. Thomas. Bushman.
Hey, mankind no easy. Mankind no easy. Hey, mankind no easy. Mankind. Wanna let me sing that one now? Hey, yo, rinse and shut your head. No need to ball, no need to beg. Youngster no evil lead. Oh Lord, no. Hey, mankind no easy. Mankind no easy. Mankind no easy. Look. Hey, rinse and shut your head. No need to ball, no need to beg. Youngsters no evil lead. Oh Lord, another skull bus. Mother receive another gunman day. Family and friends once more. Sing that part here with me, no man. Somebody. Yeah, the body's getting sting. It needs to. And he say make it quick because it's getting rather worse. Young son up it now powder gunman. Night and nurse. Him gonna join lodge, nah rich. If I no jailhouse, then I cemetery. If I no cemetery, penitentiary. If I no gunshot, then I fire bun. If I no fire bun, then a knife stab. That's the way how the rude boy's life goes. Look! Devil stick with oversized clip when make beard up if flick kill you auntie. And at the same gun where have Mr. Chung come murder your sister named Nancy. And at the Dan black lock we got the black lock come slap out the Dan head back. And the same gun where politics bring down make be a war a one in the garrison. Now the youths them find themselves wanted. It run out and haunted. Man a go on like them candid, like a steel and them chests are lead. When here comes greetings! What up? Greetings! In the name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile King Selassie I. Joe! Rastafari, mighty and terrible. How the man say trees?
Original youth. Selassie. You sneak it. I know all the parties there. We see a daylight thing in us. When I rush it, you know. Leave Reggae bands. Come cross me out. I throw that dry soft flick up, you know.
Yo, people, I'm missing you. I really, really do. Whoa, alright. Cause since you've been away, I've been down and lonely. Come again. SturGav 5 power. Make the music shower every hour. Hour after hour. Yo, said I'm a missing you. I really, really do. Whoa, alright. Cause since you've been away, I've been down and lonely. And since you've been away, I've been dreaming of you, my baby. I try to understand the reason you left me and what were you going through, girl. Ooh, 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 ooh. Baby, I'm missing you. Tell me why the road turns. Why away, away. Baby, I'm missing you. Tell me why the road turns. As I look around, there are things to remind me. Whenever I see you smile, my heart fills with joy. I can still recall the moments we shared together. Now where are you running to, girl? Now, yeah, away, away. Baby, I'm missing you. Tell me why the road turns. Away, away. Baby, I'm missing you. Tell me why the road turns. Lord of mercy, we ask my brethren.
People, are you ready? Greetings! In the name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile King Selassie I, Joe! Rastafari, mighty and terrible. How do you want to say trees?
Original youth, Selassie. You sneak it, and I want the artist there, we see a daylight thing in us up. When I rush it, you know. Leave Reggae bands. Come cross me out. Watch out that dry self flick up, you know.
Yo, yo, people, I'm missing you. I really, really do. Whoa, alright. Cause since you've been away, I've been down and lonely. Come again. SturGav 5 power. Make the music shower every hour. Hour after hour. Yo, yo, said I'm missing you. I really, really do. Whoa, alright. Cause since you've been away, I've been down and lonely. And since you've been away, I've been dreaming of you, my baby. I try to understand the reason you left me and what were you going through, girl. Ooh, 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 ooh. Baby, I'm missing you. Tell me why the road turns. Why? Away, away. Baby, I'm missing you. Tell me why the road turns. As I look around, there are things to remind me. Whenever I see you smile, my heart fills with joy. I can still recall the moments we shared together. Now where are you running to, girl? Now, yeah, away, away. Baby, I'm missing you. Tell me why the road turns. Away, away. Baby, I'm missing you. Tell me why the road turns. Lord of mercy, we ask my brethren.
People, are you ready? Oh Lord! So that's say I know more Mr. Gibbons, more Mr. Gibbons to the face. So that's say I know. Lord of mercy. SturGav in the pot. Trees, man, what did them say a man before we left here, so you know. So we're going to it name, come we go so. Come we go so. Come we go so. Come we go so. Original style from down a back to the people them a wine from round and muck up. Them say, SturGav, me say make your bad so. Them hold up on them girl and them now go. Come we go so, come we go so. Water Lane people, come we go so. Alley Posse, come we go so. Race Course Posse, come we go so. Rocky Pine people, come we go so. Michelle Town people, come we go so. Lionel Town people, come we go so. Ears Posse, come we go so. Come now, come we go so. Come we go so. SturGav inna the dance, come we go so. Everyone a jump and prance, come we go so. We come not the money, no we want and we plan. As I saw me do that, me read a couple songs. Me tell it to me uncle and me tell it to me aunt. Well, who no get no loving man, I want them no one. Hey no, come we go so, come we go so, come we go so, come we go so. You no come a SturGav with no beach party. No come a SturGav with no hanky panky. No come a SturGav but cock up on this. No come a SturGav, come wine back way. At the other of the day, a rubber dub where we play. One man no be no way you have a whole sister pay. You a wine or a night and you wine or a day. Come we go so, come we go so. Me say Race Course Posse, me say some we go so. Water Lane Posse, me say come we go so. Alley Posse, come we go so. Rocky Pine Posse, me say come we go so. A SturGav sound and you know say we bad. Them sick and with them sad and if them lost they love them mad. Them jump up on them knee and know them praise Master God. And come in at the dance, we be with them. You have to use say your soap and rag. Come a SturGav, not a body, not a bow. Come we go so, come we go so, come we go so, come we go so. Who got so? Come we go so, come we go so. From England straight back to Sacramento. Long a Walton, Taylor and run a back to. And this a SturGav where the people them. Come we go so, come we go so. Trees, come we go so, come we go so. Come we go so. Trees, come we go so. I want to man as a trees.
You know, some Peter said, "Man, I'm sorry with him." We are some extra.
Yo, you hear me? See Clarendon, just keep the vibes rolling, cause you don't know King SturGav. Hey! Watching a Clarendon, please! Don't sex and gays, please! Because you have a disease, them call him AIDS. Hey, give me a little more eyes in the mind. Oh, that one your name AIDS. AIDS. My engineer, please, don't host me. Give me a little more eyes. See Clarendon. See Clarendon around the music. Yes, Clarendon, I don't remember. Oh, daddy made sure me say AIDS, man you catch it. Who remember AIDS, man you catch it. Daddy made sure AIDS, man you catch it. Who remember AIDS, man you catch it. Protect yourself, youth, because it makes sense. Remember, say prevention is your only defense. Not man lose them life through mismanagement. Faith for cancer, one night entertainment. Put pleasure behind, good health before. Don't have a condom, cancel the tour. Try to be strong and be hardcore. Remember, prevention better than cure. I hate spray, pull up that. Pull up. Hey, see Clarendon, don't ramp with me, you know. Yo, veteran our world. Please, don't sex and gays. Because the dangerous disease called AIDS. I want boy Obama come here, what do you have to come do? One Sister P, legalize them boys. And where them at come here, come do with Jamaica. Jamaica country of a Christian and Rasta man. We don't deal with. Come and say AIDS, but you catch it. Watch it, AIDS, but you catch it. Who remember AIDS, but you catch it. Let me make sure AIDS, but you catch it. I'm addicted to condom and me not joke. More than no ninja addicted to. If I kill this sex, and that you promote. Try remember you can't get my support. Sex is nice, every man love the sport, but you better have a lifeguard by your love boat. So when the ship a sink, you still afloat. Or else your little lifeline goes up in smoke. Listen that they make sure wanna take a glory. Yo, ramp with Peter Metro, you know. Yo, Leroy, take it, Dada.
Wonderful, my brother. Whoa, this but goodies in a SturGav style. A Cupid, draw back your bow.
What
And
one
let
ENT?
your arrow go. And straight up through. Come again. Peace. Now this.
Well, original sound with original people, better than them. I know a stick where I stick it, you see a daylight thing, the sounds are going to play by what I just said. Tell them me network service, it a go well. So you know what the network, but me digital. The network service, it a go well. But you know what the network, but me digital. Hit the truth and speak it ever in a ranks, me not dwell. It better network, and no lie me a tell. 4G broadband, and still a X-Ban. From Kingston straight up to Clarendon. Girl, the Ville, Santa Cruz, and Westmoreland, for me the part of the family. Show them say you're strong. You in a big crew, bridging, you can't wrong. We have the long-term plan, good ground nation. Them other network, a whole pack and pack. And them rate the G down a yard as number one. The network service, it a go well. Man, I use the one the network, but me did you sell. My great-grandmother usual buy and sell. Granny walk from Kingston to Bashkobel. The first time me granny hear about digital, and the run go by a phone ring like a church bell. Yes, me grandson, me not the guest nor spell. This a network boy, serve me well. I go and call Craig tonight. Hungry tell, and the mean one of France for them call come shell telling me. I beg him not because me up and well. But I call him from me new brown very digital. Them man, you know him in as well. Him say me a lead and him don't wish me well. So some a cast stable and a set spell. Jamaican people love them digital. I angel fly down with you from Gobe and come on me yard and come tell me say everywhere. No my yard digi network. Hear you loud and clear no matter which part you're there. All in a him, I digi them I say and them a drop. Couple dish down a El Saturday. So digi now move, digi now run away. Digi are the best so that me don't say. Me network service, it a go well. When you know that. How you down? The man called Leroy Gibbon selection. What do you want to say, Gibbon?
Lover's question. Lover's question. Yow, yow. Hey. Does she love me with all her heart? Come again. SturGav, high power. We say SturGav.
Original song with original youth. What do you want to say, Gibbon?
Give thanks, my brethren. Diggy dang 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 dang. Hey, I yodelay, 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 I yodel yodelay, yodelay, hey 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 oh, yodel yodelay, 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 hey 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 ooh, yodelay, oh hey oh ooh, yodelay. Yodel, yodelay, sing it dun 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 day. Yodel, yodelay, yodelay, oh hey, yodel, yodelay. Does she love me with all her heart? Oh yes. Should I worry when we're apart? It's a lover's question. I'd like to know. Does she needs me as she pretends? If it's a game, oh, will I win? It's a lover's question. I'd like to know. Where's the brother trees?
Where are you not see? Them say, heart no leave. Give me the island over, because we will be touching it. Them say, where are you? Blow it! Hey, second a jice up for now. Sizzler need a jice, I want a second proper. I know a whole heap of super duper in the area. Daylight thing, you know. So now watch nothing. where I no sick, and them say, heart no leave. Give me the island over, grab me baby, touch it. Them say, where I no sick, and them say, heart no leave. Give me the pop, show me, grab me baby, touch it. Be careful how you buy meat at the meat shop. Make sure the chemist pass through and test that. Be careful how you buy meat on the street. Them a kill donkey and a sell that for beef. Be careful how you buy meat at the meat shop. Them a kill how sell the people that. Anyway, give me the man and the moon. Me no wanna ho. Nah no he give me the man and the moon. Me no wanna ho. Nah no he. Because who have the record for eat dog meat? But this a man jump right in on the seat. You know you bout the man what? The other week who tell Bushman say damn dog meat. Some people say what? But I eat such things. Go in and eat a restaurant not from the seaside kitchen. We now the party with it waste by Sunday. We eat the beef cause it come in a tin. But how you certain know say you beef in a the thing you did. See when it's a kill. But when it's a put in it can be puss. Dog I chop up garland. So old grey mule and some foreign thing. But when I no see and them say heart no leave as a leash and me and I want to think. Shh. The other day after Gilbert's chop, me want a piece of mutton cause the beef full me up in our meat shop. And when we go turn up, the shop it empty, never really full up. Just me and a woman and the owner with the shop. Me started to peep, me want see the meat. Me hear the woman and like, oh, 2 pounds of meat. And I want a pretty piece that way you give me last week. The owner man come down quiet as a lamb. Started to whisper to the woman, but he never knew me. He was a eagle-laced man. Hear him start to whisper to the woman. And I said, no one tell him, but you understand where you get last week was dober, man. King gets a ration, me not gonna be sell. What do I say, Dolo?
Hey, have mercy. Bushman. Hey. Come now. We are go send for Spanish, I think y'all will licky. Send for Spanish, I think y'all will drinky. Send for Spanish, I think y'all will licky. Send for Spanish. Give me one jug of Bushman, give me one run. Come now. No licky. No begging, no licky, no begging, no yummy, no drinky, no licky, no begging, no yummy. We know one more three. I want a second for the mixer, see? Oh God, Rastaman tradition, Rastaman tradition. Give me a mixer. Oh God, oh you naughty bongo woolly make it come down. On your shoulder it fi come down. Oh you naughty bongo woolly make it come down. On your shoulder it fi. Oh God, the gate fi understand see the right tradition. Rastaman go burn down Babylon. And again, grow your locks to a iron dimension. Rastaman got the salute. Hey, Samson he was brave and strong, but he got deceived by a woman, which cut off the locks of the Rasta man. Then the Rasta coulda never ever prolong. Hey, oh you not the bongo would he make it come down?
Me know this little girl where them call Beverly. Me know this little girl where them call Beverly. Well she no love the man you want to buy your brandy. Well she no love the man you want to buy your brandy. The first time she take a liquor from General Trees, him just in pocket for him virgin cherry. Cut it now the liquor makes she drink it, you see. As I saw she drink it, makes she feel on it. She just rub down him back and rub down him belly. Take off him pants, take off him brief. In a she and now when she have the puppy. And whisper na him ears and tell her I'm sorry she bad. Kill me with it, kill me with it, Lord. Kill me with it. Kill me with it. But me know this little youth where them call name Philip. Him a deal with a girl where them call Margaret. Him give her Spanish fly in a she lick her fist tip. And stop and take Bushman said them want a ganja split. The girl get a horny, the girl get panic. So when them come back him find her upon the gear stick. Come on you send for Spanish, I beg y'all well licky. Send for Spanish, I beg y'all well jicky. Come now. No licky. No beggy. No yummy. No eat, no drink it.
Hear me say to her now, Twitch. Hear me say to her now. Oh, well, I heard that you settle down, that you find a man and you're married now. I heard that your dreams came true. Yes, he gave you things I haven't given you. Ooh, old friend, why you so shy? Ain't like you to hold back or to hide from the lies. I know you came up on all the blues, uninvited, tried to stay away, but I couldn't hide it, and I hope to see your face, that you be reminded that for me it isn't over. Sing now. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you too. Don't forget me, I beg. I remember you said sometime it lasts in love, but sometime it hurts instead. Sometime it lasts.
Oh, babe.
What a world.
Why?
Look here. Look here. Look here. Look here.
Well, yes, my brother, blessings every time, seeing the people them look nice in the place, eh? Oh, now. Ooh, wee. Oh, now. I heard him say, Mama, take these badges off of me.
Hey! Hey, Leroy. Boy, me telling you you can't sing original. Mr. Gibbons.
Ooh, wee. Oh, now. I heard him say, Mama, take these badges off of me. I can't use it anymore. No. The long dark clouds are getting darker and darker. Seems like I'm knocking on heaven's door. Right now, I'm knocking on heaven's door. Clarendon, knocking on heaven's door. Let me hear you say, knocking on heaven's door. Knocking on heaven's door. Take me low, brothers. To the ground, yeah. I can't shoot them anymore. No. The long dark clouds are coming down on Leroy right now, yeah. Seems like I'm knocking on heaven's door. Let me hear you sing, people. Knocking on heaven's door. Oh, yes. Knocking on heaven's door. Ra-ba-bam-bam-bam. Knocking on heaven's door. Knocking on heaven's door. Da-da-da-da-da.
Peace. Money over one, got over gun. House and land and garden and gun. Money over one, got over gun. House and land and garden and gun. The tribal war and the busting freedom. Pull out the 9 nights and the burial ground.
Knocking on heaven's door. Oh, yes. Knocking on heaven's door. Ra-ba-bam-bam-bam. Knocking on heaven's door. Knocking on heaven's door. Hey. I gotta put my guns to the ground. Whoa. I can't shoot them anymore. No. The long dark clouds are coming down on me. Seems like I'm knocking on heaven's door. Down. Knocking on heaven's door. Ow, ow, hey. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. What you say, brother Trees?
We are our confidence and we know it have become. Just send we on a mission and we not back up. We don't want no handouts, and no ready done. And most poor people back them turn down. Every channel for the poor, them lock it down. And every pipeline, all of them bung. Get the people make we move to the restaurant. And then we start sing the side songs of freedom. Money over all, and over there. House and land and car and fun. Money over all, and over there. House and land and car and fun. My God, the mighty you'll call. Hold on, I'm a Bushman there. Secular drives, you know. Secular.
Sure. Smart person. Hey, Yaga mercy. Whoa, oh well, whoa, oh Lord, oh God, rise I up this morning. Yes, Rasta, mighty and terrible. Yes, I. Yes. Yes, Rasta, mighty. Oh, Lord have mercy. Whoa, oh, well. Heal Rastafari. Oh, God. The rise I up this morning. Thanks to see the rising sun. And even when it's dawning, thanks to see the day has come. Cause the time is so perilous. Mankind gets so dangerous. In this time we don't know who to trust. Oh no, but it's so easy. Give thanks and praise, yeah, every day. Oh yeah, it's pull up, 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 pull up. Mighty, oh Lord have mercy. Whoa, oh well. Whoa, give me a little more speed on the rhythm there. Oh God. Rise I up this morning, thanks to see the rising sun. And even when it's dawning, thanks to see the day has come. The time is so perilous, mankind gets so dangerous. In this time we don't know who to trust. Oh no, but it's so easy. Give thanks and praise. Yeah, every day, oh yeah, it's so easy. Give thanks and praise, Rastafari on the way. Whoa, yeah, we just to lift up the waves, and the King of Glory shall come in. And behold, I lifted up these everlasting doors, and I know He flourished me, and He sets me free. So happily I shall go along my way. Why would it's so easy? Give thanks and praise, yeah, every day. Why would it's so easy? Pull up, people, me can't sing one more for now. Jah have mercy. Mercy on and so, Jah have mercy. Whoa, yeah. How could life be like this? Well, when everyone should be giving thanks and oh God, Jah live, Rasta live, heal Jah, Rastafari, SturGav. Whoa, oh well, how could life be like this? Well, when everyone should be giving thanks and oh God, I see the farmer man love when the rain fall every day. As him grabs a grow, and it is Buddha man love when the sun shine every day. King Selassie I the first man. Oh well, Big up all the farmer man them, all of the fisherman them. Because when you're fishing your farm too, you know. Oh well, little twitch. Hey, how could life be like this? Well, hey, with everyone should be giving thanks and oh God.
ENT.
Hey, the farmer man love when the rain fall every day. Cause him crabs are grow. And it does put a man love it when the sun shine every day. Cause him style a show. And me say downtown, no love when rain a fall. Uptown flood out, oh God, 8 million them spend on home road. And the flooding now when, oh God, the wicked. Pull up. There's a bun to tune, please. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. All who love the Almighty. Let me see the hand up in the air. Sing with me. Your shining's light out for me. He turns the light out for me. Your shining's light out for me. He turns the light out for me. When the storms of life surround me and strong waves threaten to drown me, your shining's. If you know you love the Almighty, sing it again. Your shining's light out for me. He turns the light out for me. Your shining's light out for me. He turns the light out for me. When old pirates are surround me and sharp rocks threaten to drown me, your shining's light out for me. Well, I know not what lies ahead, but each night I go to my bed and I kneel beside it and pray. And these are the words that I say. Yeah. Not telling you no tough. Play an extract there. Wicked and terrible. Yeah, we have dark phobia. Now all of the virtuous women them in the earth. Oh, Lord have mercy. African woman, boy. Every time, African woman, well, you all own. Virtuous woman, African lady, boy, yeah. Every time, boy, black woman, you are on my. Oh God, search for a while. African lady, boy. This is the love I search to find. Wakes me up so early in the. And unto me it's like a breath of life. Well. This is what a king man really. A princess and a lover and a wife. Whoa. Oh well. African woman, well. Oh well. Every time, African woman, you are on my mind. I search for a wife, African woman, yeah. This is the love I search to find. Wakes me up so early in the morning. Unto me it's like a breath of life. Well. This is what a king man really. A princess and a lover and a wife. Whoa. My time now. Whoa, I happening on the woman, African woman. Oh, Nubian woman. Oh, baby. And there's no one in the world can take you away from me. You were meant for me. Pull up, 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 pull up. This tune and next track. This tune bad. Yo, next track. No, all of the man them know say them no eat no dead meat. No bag of hog in your system, man. Hey, man a bonfire upon a leaders. Nothing with four and nothing with feather. Pull up. Oh well, nothing with the eye, mouth, not teeth. Nothing with the eye, mouth, not teeth. Rasta man no eat. Oh well, hey. Man a bonfire upon a leaders. Nothing with four and nothing with feathers. Man a move like tailpipe and webers. Who no get to knock together. Sing out, the rest of man a bonfire upon a leaders. Nothing with four and nothing with feathers. Man a move like tailpipe and webers. Whoa, yes. Well, I ain't screen and gold in a me pot. Seat, but a secret that dinner yam on a yacht. I'm gonna get me fire stick and me stone. Cause the rest go by your fire upon a meat and a bone. Red, right now me bone, all bone sucker. We go against Ducky and Dunga King Booger. Cook and you yard the liquor fast food, love a vegetable you feel. Pull up.
Wagwan ENT.